Elements lets you package multiple angles and views of the same component into one node. It gives you a single source of truth for consistent references across your workflow. That means cleaner organization, less clutter, and more reliable outputs. Here's a quick guide on how to use it. Head over to the left toolbar and click on Elements. There are two different ways to create an element. The first way is to click on New Element and drop your assets from your local folder. The more variations in angles and shot sizes you have, the better the outcomes will be. Name your element and hit Create. Another way is to marquee select a group of assets directly from the canvas. Right-click and hit Create Element. By then, you can go back to the Elements window and manage the new element. Do the same for your character and your product. Once you have populated your elements, you will see every option inside a drop-down menu of the element node. You can also drag and drop from the Elements window to the canvas. You can treat the element node as any other node by dragging out and making a connection. Every element is technically carrying multiple images, so it works the same way as connecting the same amount of individual image nodes together. For example, if you have two elements that consist of each 4 images and 6 images, it is the same as connecting a total of 10 images. For this reason, elements will only work with image models that are capable of multi-reference. Check out our docs for more details. Continue your workflow with other elements to get cohesive outputs. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.